Hi, this is a linear law question. Now, how do we know? First of all, you will see a straight line. And when you check the x-axis and the y-axis, you notice that it is no longer the usual x. Instead, it is x squared. It's supposed to be a quadratic term. And on your y-axis, it's not the usual y, but it is y over x in this case. Sometimes it could be log y, sometimes it could be x times y, and things like that. So immediately with all these, you must relate this to linear law. And to solve the linear law question, you must understand that in the linear law, we treat all the, we try to convert the nonlinear into the linear form, whereby the linear form will always consist of the subject, capital Y, which can be written in just two terms, which is mx, the one that contains the variable, and another one, the c, which contains the constant only. Okay, therefore, for this one, this will be our capital Y, and this one will be our capital X to replace the usual X and Y that we are so used to. So with that, let's look at this question. We have the straight line graph, the y over x against x squared, and we need to find the relation between this and this. That means we need to find the linear equation that involve our capital Y and capital X. So how? So remember, y equals to mx plus c. So from the graph, we can find our gradient. Okay, the gradient can be found by taking y2 minus y1. And remember, all the coordinates on this Cartesian will be in capital X and capital Y. Okay, so y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we will have 5 minus 2 over 4 minus 1. So we will have 3 over 3, which is 1. Okay, and with that, we need to find the c. So let's substitute y equals to mx plus c. Our m is 1. So 1x plus c. Now, where can I get my capital X and capital Y? You just take any coordinates. So in this case, let's take this. So this will be our X, 2 will be the Y. So whenever you see capital Y replaced with 2, whenever we see capital X, we replace as 1. So C will equals to 2 minus 1, we got 1. Therefore, the whole equation that represents this straight line will be capital Y equals to 1x plus c, which is 1. And now let's replace capital Y with y over x. And the capital X is actually x squared. So x squared plus 1. So what is the relationship between y over x and x squared? This is the relationship. Okay, so that is part A. Now part B. Find the relation between y and x. So y and x, that means we have to try to write our subject in terms of y. So that has to start with y over x equals to x squared plus 1. So we don't want the x to be on the left-hand side. So both sides we multiply with x so that we can cancel off the x on the left-hand side and left with y. And for the right-hand side, we will have x cubed, x squared times x cubed, plus 1 times x, which is x. So this is the relation between y and x. Next, we need to find the value of y when x equals to 3. Therefore, just substitute x equals to 3 into the equation that we just found in B. So y equals to, whenever we see x, we replace as 3. So 3 cubed plus 3. So we will have 3 to the power of 3 is 27 plus 3. So we got 30. That is our answer. So if you have any other question, please leave your comment. Please leave your question in the comment area. I try to come back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. Hope this helped you.